Hi everyone, Caleb here with Park360. In this video, we'll be doing an unboxing of one of our transformer dollies. We'll also go over the contents that's in the package, as well as how to properly offload it from the skid it's delivered on. Your transformer trailer dolly will arrive wrapped and packaged on a full-size skid. To remove the packaging, you'll need either a utility knife or a pair of side cutters. Using your preferred tool, proceed to cut the straps on the top of your box lid and remove the wrapping. Once removed, simply lift the lid off the skid and set it aside. Inside, you'll find a fully assembled transformer unit and all of the included accessories. These accessories will vary depending on the package that you purchased. On top of your transformer, you'll find your kit box, as well as your ball mount box. You will find your handle and tightening bar underneath the dolly. Check the handle receiver tube on your dolly to ensure the D-pin is installed. We'll use this to secure the handle. Depending on the transformer package that you ordered, other box contents may vary. If you ordered a 15K BF, you'll receive a kingpin adapter and universal stabilizer bar kit. If you ordered a 15K G, you'll receive a gooseneck adapter and stabilizer bars shipped separately. Now we're going to unbox your accessories. Starting with the ball mount box, open it using your utility knife. Inside you'll find your ball mount, thrust washer, and two sizes of hitch ball, a 2-inch and 2 5/16. Next, we'll use our utility knife to open the kit box. In your kit box, you'll find your kit bag, the wireless controller in a static-proof bag, a QR code for your transformer manual, mounting hardware for the tightening bar on your unit's handle, and 2 charge cables, one for your transformer unit and the other, USB-C, for your wireless controller. With the transformer unit, there are different adapters dependent on your trailering needs. In the 15K BF kit, you'll receive your universal stabilizer bar kit, as well as your kingpin adapter. In a 15K G kit, the gooseneck adapter and stabilizer bars will ship separately. To move the transformer off the skid, we'll need to use the handle. After removing from the packaging, simply take out the D-pin in your handle receiver tube. Slide the handle in and re-secure with your D-pin to lock it in place. If you are using the ball mount connection, we recommend mounting the tightening bar to the handle before continuing. Next, switch your dolly's motors into free spool mode. There's a knob on either side of the dolly for each of the drive wheels. Then, simply lift the handle and roll the dolly off the skid onto flat, level ground. To best prepare for using your transformer unit, you'll want to ensure that the main unit and remote are properly charged. In order to charge the controller, use the USB-C cable compatible with any USB charging block. It's best to leave the controller charging when not in use. In order to charge your transformer unit, you'll need to start by pulling out the battery disconnect switch. This will ensure your batteries are connected to power. Insert your charging cable into the port located near the top of the transformer unit. From there, plug the other end of your charging cable into a wall socket to begin charging. To preserve the life of your batteries, make sure to recharge them every 2 to 3 months. While the dolly is set up to charge, you can check the status of charging with the display on top of the dolly. Once the display reads full, you can disconnect your charging cable and press in your battery disconnect switch. Then you can leave the dolly for storage. If you encounter the ERR, or error code, double check to make sure that your battery disconnect switch has been pulled in the out position. If this does not fix your issue, make sure that the charging cable has been inserted correctly and double check the connections on your battery terminals. Like the controller, the transformer should be stored indoors in a dry place to protect it from the elements such as rain or snow. If you experience any issues with your dolly, if anything's missing or anything appears to be damaged, please feel free to reach out to us directly. Thanks very much for watching the video today, and happy parking.